Making sense of vague pronoun references. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video on English grammar. Today, we're going to talk about a common grammatical problem that many English learners face. Vague pronoun references. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds, and we're going to tackle it step by step. First, let's quickly remind ourselves what pronouns are. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They help us avoid repetition, making our speech and writing more fluid. For example, instead of saying, John gave John's book to John's teacher, we can say, John gave his book to his teacher. Here, his is a pronoun, replacing John's. Now, let's move to the heart of our discussion, vague pronoun reference. A pronoun is vague when it's unclear which noun the pronoun is referring to. This can cause confusion for the reader or listener. For example, in the sentence, Bob told John that he failed. It's unclear who he is referring to. Is he Bob or John? That's a vague pronoun reference. How can we spot vague pronoun references? Look for pronouns in your sentence, then ask yourself, is it absolutely clear who or what this pronoun is referring to? If the answer is no, you've got a vague pronoun reference. Great, we've identified the problem, but how do we fix it? There are several strategies. 1. Replace the pronoun with a noun. This is the most straightforward way. In our previous example, we could say, Bob told John that John failed. Now, there's no doubt about who failed. 2. Rearrange or rewrite the sentence. Another way is to change the sentence structure. For instance, Bob said to John, "You have failed." Remember, the key is to ensure that it's crystal clear who or what your pronoun refers to. And there you have it. Vague pronoun references can be tricky, but with a little practice, you can avoid these common errors. Remember, clear communication is crucial in English, and making sure our pronouns are clearly referring to the correct nouns helps a lot. Happy studying, and see you in our next video.